Halili with Aaron Black, our correspondents tonight, Jersey Zulueta of UST, Ella Regudo of Adamson, and Mo Tungkara. It's a three-point shot to get us started. A furious rally here in the fourth and final quarter. Remember, these are two teams fighting for Final Four spots as Hierro uncorks and scores.
He's there for the rebound. Been that big guy for that UST team.
This play of the quarter. Mo Tungkara hands it to Padrigao. Back to Tungkara. Shot clock down to 8. Asido for 3. That looks good. That looks good.
Is sky high right now for him.
Three-point shot brought to you by Yamaha Mio Gear. Play your tough. Padrigao slices through, floater, no go. And then Caballero goes in for the layup.
Waxing hot on offense. I don't know what else to say to Domingo. It's been a crazy second half for UST, the complete opposite of their first half.
Here's Fransman from the corner. That's something that Adamson really needs. Cross-court pass to Asido. And now over to Padrigao. Shot clock reads 9. 21-point lead for UST. What a pass to Manaytay.
My goodness, Sportsky.
Over to Padrigao. Shot clock down to 2. Padrigao for 3. In and out. And then Manaytay in the basket. And he was fouled by Eli Ramos. Lots of time to shoot for Adamson. Barcelona inside. Off the glass. It's good.
Well, Barcelona making a good case for himself for this next game.
I thought he would take the 3 there with 6 to shoot. They go to Paranada, 3 to shoot. Kyle Paranada. Oh, Manaytay! Skying and slamming it home. Nagulat ako doon, Aaron.
Wow.
Herolon. Dignadice for 3. Got it! Really milking the clock here. Eco Laure, Chase Lane are all part of this game. And Dylan Estacio knocking it down with a 3-point shot.